Hey guys, this is Bhushan and you're watching Cloudy Rator, and for the year 2020 I'm going to make one jumbo series of Python where I will try to cover as much as possible. I will start from the scratch and will go to the advanced level of the Python. So at the first section of the Python series I will cover the foundation course of the Python, then I will go for the advanced section, and then I will cover the NumPy library, then Pandas library, and then SciPy library. So in SciPy library, I will try to cover so many example as much as possible. At the end of the series, I will also try to cover the stuffs like image processing, speech processing, then face recognition, counting of cars on the highway, and so many stuff. So it will be a very nice opportunity for you to learn the Pythons or the power of the Pythons. So stay connected with Cloudy Rator. I will start this course from 1st January, so you can tell your friends, family and relatives to join this course or to subscribe this channel and will get the benefit. So stay connected with Cloudy Rator. We can and we will make difference.